Yes, what's going on? So finally the guy that was here has moved on to there, so I can now clear this place out, make it real nice and tidy, and take that in. So what I'm gonna do now is just start with just the basics and just clear everything that's here out, sweep it. Sunday 21st, so first day of spring. Yeah, so I'm just gonna probably even jet wash this out. I gotta do the walls are disgusting. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clear all of this out so I can get the Nissan in here and then I can get started on it, really get working. Like I said, it's 21st of March today. So I ain't got long now until we're allowed to do stuff. So the Nissan needs to be ready and I'm just gonna get on it now. So if you saw the previous video, you saw where we moved it out of that into where it is now. And now I'm gonna move it into here. But yeah, this is my new space, my new unit space. I didn't need so much of a big space. It might not look that big, but it's like the width of 1.5 300 ZXs. Plus, I still have the table, so let's go. So it's now in, perfect space, bit tight, table's leaving, but overall so good space here, bit tight at the back, but I'm going to bring it forward and put wheels over at the back anyway, so nice to see it run again. Wow, my face. Wow. Can you tell I've been working hard? But anyway, car's in its new location, it's all clean. For now we're done. The car's in its new home. I need to go and shower. Wow. I look like I've been working in the mines, but that's how dusty this place was. So happy they just started on the button. I don't think I've got it on video. Literally put the jump pack on and it started on the button, tipped over nicely. It needs a service. I want to do new brakes, a whole bunch of stuff to do, but yeah, and I've got a little creak like that, yeah, like that, from the front, so I just need to get up in the air and check it out, but peace. Yes guys, what's going on in Smex? This is part 2, probably same episode. So Nissan's in its new space, but I'm coming to paint that. So everything I need, got the rollers, got some sheets. I want to pull the Nissan out and I'm going to roll it forward here. I'm going to move these mopeds. I don't know how to move mopeds, but we will see how it goes. And then I'm going to paint all that white. Hold on. Fuck. Left the paint at home. Yes. I'm back. I had to run home and get the paint my unit. Like, I literally came here just to paint. I went and bought some painting stuff just to paint, but I already had the paint at home. Perfect excuse to use that paint here. And I forgot the paint. Anyway, got the paint. Went home real quick. Got the paint, secured the bag, got this just in case, not that I care if anything gets it. Obviously I want to move the car out. Got me some rollers, some entry-level roller shit. I mean, I ain't no painter decorator, but anything's got to be better than this. So I'm just gonna paint it. Yeah, I gotta move these fucking bikes I'm not a moped guy. This is kind of hench as well. It's fucking weighty. So move the bikes, move the car out here so I don't splatter. Some of you might see that in the background. Allow that. That's that wall is leaving with the fucking fake fireplaces, because the guy at the unit that I just swapped, the space that we just swapped here in the unit over there, I don't want to film his stuff, but over there, he refurbs loads of these things, Victorian stuff. Alright, so I'll move those. Time to move the car out. Try not to get the Supra. I could roll the Supra back a little bit, but brakes are a bit iffy. And there's a Porsche right behind it with about 3 covers on, so I'm not moving that. But yeah, I'm just gonna roll the car out so I can get painting. So let's see if it starts. Central locking works. Yup. Look at that idle. Look at that idle. Oh, fucking love this car. Alright, now as you can see, I can't see anything, so I'm gonna stick my head out the window and just kind of look forward. Made it out. Little kiss. Just cardboard. Alright, now I've put the end in a big old drill. Not really properly, but let's see if it does anything. There we go, there we go. Gonna start that wall, see how it goes, and then we'll hit that wall. Let's just do this one together. Oh wow, it's really splashy. No, didn't get any on the camera. But yeah, that's all I want, just actual white rather than shit. There we go. Yeah, I'll take that. Yes, look, he's turned up to give me a hand. My man Joey.
Hey guys.
With his long pole. If you know, you know. Why? So that's coat 1, which already looks so much better. Car back in. Thanks to Joe for coming over and helping. Gonna let it dry, see how patchy it is, and then do coat 2 during the week or something. So I guess we'll see you then. Yes, so it's day 3.
58.
Yeah, in Big Brother house. No, it's day 3 of painting the unit. Joe's here with his big stick, but he brought a paint gun. So we're gonna try this, brand new. He's never used it, so I don't know if it works, and I didn't buy any more rollers, so it better work. I can't open it, but yeah. We're gonna set this up and show you how it sprays, but that's what that looks like, which is way better than it did before. Started painting that, I'm not gonna do the black bit at the bottom. So, I mean, it looks really white now, but and you can see right at the top where it hasn't been done, so it's really good, but still really patchy, so we're gonna do another go with a gun, and yeah, even I did a really bad job like here and stuff with a little roller, but we'll carry on doing that. Just stir the shit with a stick.
I don't know how much water is going to mix.
Doesn't it give you a, because this does seem very thick.
Yeah.
It's like fucking yogurt. Look, give it a lick.
I can't read. You just look at the pictures.
You just pour it in, but I can't pour it on the camera.
Squeeze it together so it pours like a tip.
What do you mean squeeze it
Like
together?
squeeze the lid so it comes a more of an oval shape.
What lid?
Yeah, like that. Because
What?
it's then more oval, isn't it? Damn, you're pouring it all over the side. Damn.
Fuck's sake.
Damn.
I got a stick. Fuck. Does your mum want this back, like in the condition she bought it?
Nah, as long as it looks good. As long as it works, I'm sure she'll be alright. It's supposed to get messy in it, but you're supposed to paint the inside of it, not the outside.
I was gonna lick that.
It ain't icing.
Milan, have you got any gloves?
That's better.
Let's get it from really high up. That tippy toe.
Damn.
How much more do we need? That should be alright.
Yeah, I'd say do that and mix it with a bit of water.
How are you getting on, Joe?
Not very well, bro. This is a shit design.
Here's one I painted earlier. See, orange paint, bro, orange paint. Yeah, so at this rate we're not really going to get it done, so I think we're going to go back to the rollers and finish that, because we've just come late. It's like 9 o'clock and we're just attempting to, felt like David Blaine there. But yeah, so we just had to start and it's 9 o'clock, so we're just going to jump on the roll, not jump on the rollers, but yeah, just grab the rollers. Yeah, so it's as painted as it's gonna get. Big thanks to Joe for coming through with his big stick and his gun, and his water gun. That didn't work. That didn't work. But yeah, that's really white. That's very kind of white. Everything's white. Did talk about doing the floor, but not now, not today, probably not never. I leave the car parked for too long and it's just gonna rip the flooring up anyway. Novimex springs, see what I did there? Novimex, yeah. For the wagon, in time, whenever, I don't know, if ever, but they're there. Again, that's another video, but yeah, here's what it is. Units painted. This is like 2 weeks after the last little bit of, probably, yeah, 10 days. We've had Easter, blah blah blah. It was hot, it was nice, now it's snowing. But anyway, this is what it now looks like. Super white, really nice. I've started moving all my shit in, so it looks a bit messy. Well, I've moved all my shit in, except for a set of wheels over there. You can see them. But yeah, cool story, guys. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Thanks for watching if you watched. If you got this far anyway, because this video's been a bunch of shit. But, yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. Are you watching Players World? Yeah, that's high quality content, not like this bunch of shit. Excuse the messiness, I look rough as fuck and a bit homeless, but that's the get up when you come to Unix Dusty. Anyway, peace.